Hi, can you tell us your name and the organization that you're with?
Yeah, hi, my name is Auerbach-Lynn. I'm a senior associate with a social impact consulting firm called Mission Measurement.
Can you tell us a little bit about your talk today and the topics that you covered?
Yeah, so the talk was focused on transportation equity. We talked about this as a method for helping individuals make decisions about transportation, giving it as a particular outcome. You know, we as Mission Measurement try to think about social and environmental impact as far as outcomes and use that as a means to prioritize the different methods that you would actually go to achieve that. So transportation equity, helping to improve both vertical equity as well as horizontal equity, so both kind of egalitarianism, fairness, as well as how to prioritize help for low-income or disadvantaged individuals.
In the future, what are some of the outcomes that you would like to see, and what do we need to get there?
Yeah, so as I mentioned, I think outcomes specifically around better equity, lower environmental impact, are definitely things I want to prioritize. Our procedure for doing that is to use research, to use existing evidence to best understand what is the most effective strategy to achieve any outcome. So it's fairly agnostic in terms of technology or in terms of specific method, but we just want to use data, we want to use our experience to say what is the most effective strategy, because funding is limited, time is short, so we don't want to mess up, we don't want to screw around by just kind of guessing or spraying and praying with money. We want to make sure we're using the most effective technology to achieve the outcomes that are most meaningful to us. In this case, from my perspective, better equitable transportation and lower environmental impact overall.
To achieve some of these outcomes, who are some of the key stakeholders that you think should be at the table?
Ooh, good question. Given that political will as well as funding is always an issue, you really have to make sure you're catering to those individuals to better understand what are their priorities, to help the individuals who are most impacted. Obviously, need to have a seat at the table. It's so easy to just focus on those individuals with power, those individuals that already have a seat at the table. But the truth is, if we really want to see transportation solutions work in the future, we have to start with the people who use them, with people who want to use them but are not using them, and work from there. Use human-centered design as a tool to really prioritize the strategies, the approaches, the design techniques that will allow us to get to the end outcomes that we seek by making sure they actually work for people who need them.
One last question. What is your favorite mode of transportation? How did you get here today?
My favorite mode of transportation is a bicycle. It was a particularly interesting day given that it was icy in the morning, so a lot of careful and nimble riding along the side of the car lanes, but I am a biker through and through, and there's nothing in my mind that's more noble, more exciting than biking. It's also just like the simplest form of transportation. It's been around for hundreds of years, and in my mind it's really hard to improve upon that.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for your time, for your presentation. We all gained a lot from it today, and look forward to having you back next year.
I look forward to coming back.